Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and don't make sure to... Okay, shit. Hey
Take
guys.
2.
What did you do that face for?
Take
What did
3.
you do that face for?
The ring. What's the ring?
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna maybe appear here. And make sure to put the ring, shit with the ring.
Take 4.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be maybe somewhere here. And put the bell to get all our new videos and stay up to date. We do a bunch of travel videos, cooking as you're gonna see, and a bunch of different things. So today is one of my favorite dishes and Sophie's favorite dishes.
Hi guys.
It's something we call back home the Farcie. I'm originally from Tunisia, so North Africa, and this is something I've been cooking recently and everybody's asking how you do it. So today we're gonna dig into the secrets. All you need to is some flour, warm water, olive oil or vegetable oils, up to you, and some warm milk. I put a little bit of sugar in it, and then I'm gonna go to put the yeast. So it's gonna activate for 5-6 minutes.
And some kombucha.
Always kombucha.
Yeah.
So there is no actual measures that I follow. It depends on how many people I'm cooking for. Like for today, it's only both of us, and I might do a little bit more maybe for the morning. I'm gonna put probably 500 grams, 600 grams of flour. And we'll put a little bit of the salt on top. Nice. So what I forgot to mention is that you need an egg as well. I cracked an egg in it, and now the yeast is ready to be put in. And now you put the olive oil with it. Stir everything together, and then we're gonna add the warm water to it, and then put it in the machine. Maybe 10 to 12 minutes, and see how we are.
Alright, now onto the stuffing or the filling for the farcie. You can really put anything in you like. You can make a vegetarian option. Vegan might be a little bit hard because we put egg and milk in, but vegetarian for sure. What we're going to stuff it with today, we have some onion here, some mushrooms, olives, capsicum, peas and spinach. And we're going to chop all these things up, and then we're going to mix them later on the stove with some minced beef, I think we bought today. You can use chicken, lamb, anything you like, and yeah, you can even use fish. I think we made one with fish once, and that was really nice too. Yeah, like I said, anything you like you can use, and yeah, towards the end, you know, the best ingredient, don't forget cheese. You want cheese at the end, just so when it's hot and it comes out of the oven, there's a bit of a string of cheese. So yeah, let's get started chopping. And most important, snacks during cooking. That one's good. Alright, what are you doing, Eamon?
I'm kneading it more because I feel like the consistency still needs some kneading. Anyway, with the hands, I prefer it with the hands. I usually use my hands.
Nothing beats old school.
I know. And make sure when you do it, you don't really actually like, some people do the dough with their finger on. For this dough, you don't need it like that. You just fold in and press. So you fold and press until you get that softness layer kind of. Fold and press. And that'll be it. Now we're gonna leave it for rest, maybe 20 to 30 minutes until it rises up. Cover it with maybe a towel and then leave it for 20 minutes.
Oh, it's just behind you. on the stove.
Where?
Here.
Alright. So, just leave it here, we're gonna leave it to rest.
And let the baby grow.
And while waiting for the dough to rise, we got T2 to look after. T2 is a Neapolitan mastiff, or as the Italian call it, Mastino. We had such a great time looking after him.
See it? See it?
Boy, that's a good boy.
Now, after 30 minutes, we're gonna see what the dough looks like.
Whoa!
That's it. And now you make small individual balls, and then you're gonna let them rest as well for a couple more minutes, and then they're ready to be stuffed.
Okay, now we're going to cook the stuffing. You can use any pan you like. And we're going to just start on frying the veggies a little bit before we fry the meat. So some olive oil or any oil that you like. I'm just going to turn it down a little bit. We're going to put some onion in first. One spoon, however much you like, of garlic, and for a little bit of kick, some chili. We love it spicy, so chili is one of our staples. That goes in. Let that fry. Before we start adding the other vegetables, right, mushrooms in next. Cook them down a little bit before you add the capsicum. Add a little bit of salt. We want to start preheating the oven, so we want to be about 190. And then if you have, I think, what is it called in English? Fan forced? It's this one here. So if you have a little fan, that normally gives you the nicest, you know, coloring on the top of the farcie. You'll see later what I talk about. But yeah, that's the best setting for the oven. Next we're putting the capsicum. We're pre-cooking the veggies just because, you know, things like the mushrooms and other things I find, I don't know, I'm no chef by no means, but I feel like they release a bit of, you know, of their own flavor. If you cook them beforehand, we'll take it out and then we'll cook the beef in the same kind of, you know, oil that's left over. We'll add a little bit more, but the flavor will be more intense and it'll be more delicious that way. So we're going to use some harissa. You know, you can put the spices in whenever you want. Moroccan seasoning, definitely a staple. Just add some in, sprinkle some on top. And then we want to put a little bit of oregano in as well. Now we're just adding the peas, the last little thing, just for them to heat up a little bit because they were frozen. And then our veggie mix is done. You can add zucchini, you can add eggplant, you can add pumpkin. There's so many other vegetables you can add, depending on the meat you do as well, but yeah, whatever you like I said. We love everything. None of our farcies is ever the same, is it? It's always different. Yeah, some cumin seed, ground, harissa, a bit of Cajun. It's spicy, so we want to be spoonful of that. And of course Moroccan seasoning and salt. Right, and if you're garlic lovers like we are, it doesn't hurt to add a bit more garlic to that one as well. Just gives such a nice taste. So we want to stir the meat, get it nice and brown in the beginning. I just made it a little bit smaller to get all the spices in. If you really want to get the spices in, take the meat, put it in a bowl, put all the spices in that you want, and really, you know, knead it through a little bit before you put it in the pan. But I can't be bothered. It's a little cheat, so I'll just, you know, spice it up. We're getting there. Nice and small. We just want to brown it a little bit before we add our veggies and our baby spinach. And last, time to add in the veggies. Give it a nice stir. That is looking nice. Yeah, now we're gonna add a little bit, probably not the whole can of those crushed tomatoes. Then you need to season it to your liking, just a little bit more if we haven't done enough. We don't want it too liquid, otherwise it will go through the dough and leak out. So we'll see how much we're going to use. And maybe putting the whole pan in after all. What do you think?
I think so.
I think so too. There's a lot of meat today, a lot of stuffing. So we are using the whole pan. Last but not least, spinach. Get your greens in. It looks like a lot, but it'll cook down. Grate some cheese. Ooh, yeah. All right. So now it's time to roll out the dough. Use those muscles.
Alright, to the stuffing, so let's put some cheese first. Spread it around. We love it. Cheesy. Go to the stuffing.
Yum, I can't wait.
Make sure you don't fill it up too much, otherwise you won't be able to close it. And some olives. Is that extra flavor? We will fold it this way. Close it. Both sides. And you roll it. As easy as that.
And voila.
That was too far. That's it.
We've got room for exactly one more, which is Eamon gonna make. Which Eamon is going to make. Bit of English there. And if you have any left over, ever, very easy. You can just, you know, wrap them in some cling wrap. They need to be airtight, and then pop them in the freezer. And when you're ready to make another one, just take them out, defrost them, or 10 or 15 seconds in the microwave will do the job too. won't it? Masters all concentrate. Ooh. Keep rolling. Yep.
To get that really nice color for the farcie, make sure you put some egg wash on top, and we like to put some also oregano seeds and basil seeds from the top. You get that really good looking. You'll impress your people. Look what we're gonna serve it for.
See you when you're done.
And we're almost there. Now it's the moment. Let's see. There you go.
Wow.
That looks amazing. Let's get it out.
Ooh, don't burn yourself.
Try not to.
Wow.
Just like that.
And there we are. Get in our bellies. Woo.
And that should be it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed. We're gonna have dinner.
Have fun making farcie at home. Let us know how it turned out.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button to keep so you can be following what's new.
Push like, leave a comment, anything you like.
Okay.
We'll appreciate it. Till next time.
Yeah.
And yeah, we gotta
See you
eat
guys.
quickly and then we gotta keep Tito busy who's crying outside. Yes,
There you
we're
go.
coming. Aww. Alright,
See you guys.
see ya.